Hi guys, and this is my first video. My name's MegaMeg, and I just want to give a quick shout out to these people: Anish, Ryan and Danny, Riley, Belle, Simrat, and that's all the people. So we're playing Animal Jam, and that's about it. This is going to be a short video, as I think I said before. So I'm just going to introduce myself and just play. So, and also I'll do a little bit of shouting out. Now, to 1, 2, Ali, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 604, Agent 344, Alex the Star 15, Amok 4, Ashidu, Awesome 11, Bonnie Hops 4, Candy Queen 19119, Cat K 35. So that's most of the people. I hope they enjoy being shouted out. Now I'll just look on my which party there is on. Obviously I'm a bunny, so it's a horses only party, so I can't go. We could go shopping. So yeah. I think we'll have to go now. Bye.